Hello everyone, hi, it's me again. I'm really sorry this last part of the web cape is coming so late. I'm really sorry. And to all my subscribers, I really thank you for subscribing and for watching the videos. And I'm really sorry again for bringing the last part of the video so late. This won't happen again. So moving on, this is the web cape. This is mine that I've made. This is the edges. This is the finishing we're gonna do today, and closing it up and putting it together to make it whole, to make it wearable. So all we need to do this part is a strip. This we're gonna use to put the back together, and this long one we're gonna use it to close up the edge at the bottom. So let's start. So first of all, I like to do the bottom part. So it's just as simple as making the ones on the top. So you keep on sewing it. See what I've done? I've done one, and then the second one. Keep doing it. See how it looks. That's the bottom part. So you continue doing that till you go to the other side of the cape. Keep doing that till you get to the end. So this is how the edges look like. See, now it's almost done. So we need to put it together like this. Now, putting it together, we're going to use this to put it together. But before we do that, we're not going to join all of them, because we're going to leave a space so that when you want to wear it, will be easy to wear, and the button. So I'm going to use this to make a button loop. A loop for the button. See? So I'm going to sew that off, depending on how big your button is. That. Now we're going to start. So the space I'm going to leave, I'm going to leave from here 2, 3 for the space when you're so that way it will be easy for you to put on when you're putting it on. So I'm going to sew this all through to this edge. Down. I'm gonna join this down. Okay, so me show you what it looks like after joining that. Let's see. That's what it looks like there. So I'm gonna, but I don't want the inside to look rough like it is here. So I'm gonna fold over the left over there to cover the inside as well. I might just leave it like that. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that. There's two. Before I do it, I'm gonna just cut it off and fold it to make the edge neat. Now your cape is almost ready to wear. Almost ready, just a tiny thing left. Now, you see this part, there's still rough edges there. So you take this strip, so just like you put bias on the edge of this strip round to this side. So that's the only thing left to do though. So I'm gonna finish. Almost done. That's it. See, just cut off this thread. That's how that edge looks. So that's the cape. We turn it out. See how the back looks. So this is what we've done. So join the cape together, and that's the loop. Thank you very much for watching this video. And once again, I'm sorry for making it doing this video very late. Thank you for watching, and please if you have any questions, comments and anything, just put it down in the comments. I'll be sure to reply you. So if you're stuck anywhere, just let me know. I would guide you or put you through to what to do. So thank you so much. Keep subscribing to my channel. More videos will be coming your way by the grace of God. So you have a very wonderful day and weeks ahead. Bye bye.